In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital maze activity using Google Slides. This is a fun and creative way to add some interactive content to your presentations or lesson plans. Let's dive right in and make an engaging maze that everyone will enjoy navigating. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Slides. If you haven't already, sign into your Google account. Having your account ready ensures that everything you create will be securely saved to Google Drive, making it easy to access and edit later. Once signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here you can choose a blank presentation to start fresh or select a template if you want a pre-designed touch. For this tutorial, we'll use a blank presentation to give us full creative control. With your slide open, it's time to build your maze. Click Insert in the top menu, then select Image. From the options that appear, choose Search the Web. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. And in the search bar, type maze to find a variety of designs from simple to intricate. Pick one that matches the complexity you want for your activity. Click on the image to insert it into your slide. Adjust the size by dragging the corners so it fits well on the slide and leaves room for any instructions or text you want to add. To make the maze interactive, you can insert text boxes with clues, directions, or hints for participants. This makes the activity more engaging and adds an extra layer of challenge. You can also use shapes and lines to create your own custom pathways or highlight the start and end points. Consider adding colors to differentiate paths or obstacles, making the maze visually appealing and easier to follow. Once your maze is ready, share the Google Slides link with your audience. Whether it's a classroom of students or attendees of a workshop, they can click through and interact with the maze directly on their devices. This approach turns a simple slide into an engaging, interactive experience. And there you have it, a fully functional digital maze activity created in Google Slides. This method not only makes your presentations more interactive, but also adds a playful, creative element that participants will enjoy. Have fun designing, sharing, and challenging your audience with your maze creations. Happy slide making.